Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Please Contact iTunes support to complete this transaction on your iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and whenever you try to purchase something or making any transaction, so you might get this type issue that you have to contact the iTunes support to complete this transaction. Now let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So it might be your network issue. So very first you have to refresh your network. Not to do that, you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back, go for settings here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find a connected VPN, try to disconnect with that because your VPN affects location-based content. And then you have to go for the option of software updates, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending software updates. Then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and select reset network setting. From the confirmation message pop up, it will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. So if you're still facing the same issues, it's mean it's not a network issue. You have to contact that your own support. Not to do that, you have to use your Apple Support app, or you can also use Apple Support app, or you can easily install Apple Support app from your App Store. So once you have downloaded, you have to try to open your app, tap on iPhone here, and then select more option. Now just look for iTunes Store, tap on that, and then you just have to wait for this. Then go for Get More Help, tap on Call Us. Now you will find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.